We're launching a couple of new products, but the one that we're launching specifically at CES is the Recipe Content Management API, which allows companies that have lots of recipe content to organize and structure that recipe content, tag it for all nutrients, diets, allergens, and become recipe searchable. So whether those are food brands or food media companies, essentially we outsource the whole content management of recipes and recipe search in one sweep go. So it's very affordable, very easy service. We built it for a major US brand, and now we open it up for everybody else. First of all, I see that there's a lot of changes in the smart kitchen space. You know, there've been waves coming in and out, in and out, in and out. I think this year that we started to get a lot of new companies that are actually trying to really start to change the space. So the smart kitchen is becoming a reality. Before it was kind of like a nice to have, you know, wishful thinking, everybody experimented with one or two, you know, different appliances. Now I think it's starting to gel together. That's what I'm excited about, what I'm seeing at CES. Otherwise, what I'm really excited about is, as you and I have talked about, food is medicine, and how food can change people's lives, cure chronic conditions, prevent chronic conditions, and help everybody on the planet live better. So for me, that's always been the driving mechanism. And I see a lot of digital health companies here that are doing diagnostics. So I see an opportunity to kind of link food to digital health and be able to do actionable items for people once you diagnose them with chronic conditions. So that's what I'm excited about, the merger of health and food into one place where people live better lives. The easiest is just go to edamam.com. You also can send us email. You can send email to me at victor@edamam.com, or you can send to the team at info@edamam.com, and we'll be happy to help you.